Hi guys! So for today's video is sort of kind of bittersweet kasi this is going to be the last makeup video that I'm going to do na nandito sa space na to, sa office space na to. I'm sorry there's like a box there kasi naghahakot na yung mga tao dito. So, eto na yung last makeup video ko na nandito tayo sa office. The next makeup videos I'm going to do is sa bahay na tayo. Kasi nga, today is the last airing day of MOR. So, yun. Anyway, but today is also super duper exciting kasi bilang aking farewell filming dito sa office, i-feature natin ang very very special product that I got just recently. And I'm talking about SMP Beauty. So, SMP Beauty or Sir Paul Maynard Beauty, yes, yung isa sa ating mga favorite makeup artist and content creator na si Sir Paul Maynard. Meron siyang sarili niyang lip tints, meron siyang sarili niyang brand, you guys, and tingnan niyo pa lang yung packaging. The packaging is so nice. Ang lakas makasosyal. Pero alam niyo ba, this product is so affordable. And I got really super duper excited nung email siya sa akin and ipadadala daw niya itong mga to because I'm a lipstick addict, I'm a lippy addict, I'm a lippy hoarder. Pero bago ko ipakita sa inyo yung swatches ng SMP Beauty, isasama ko na rin kayo as I get ready. My last get ready dito sa ABS-CBN. So, dahil extra dry yung aking skin ngayon, dahil extra stress ako, gagamitin ko tong Hello Gorgeous Unicorn Elixir. Para lang, alam mo yun, medyo pa-moisturize ng bonggang-bonggang yung skinellia ko. Now, for my brows, gagamitin ko ang L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. Dahil feeling ko bonggang-bonggang iyakan ang mangyayari mamaya. So, dapat waterproof lahat ng nasa eyes ko, including the eyebrows. ng bonggang iyakan mamaya, kailangan waterproof ang ating mascara. Grabe talaga tong mascara na to. Oh, pero dahil ano yan na, isang dip, pero like 10 milyong beses kong ginanon. So, it's time na for my blush. Pero bago yun, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga swatch nitong SPM Beauty. Unahin natin kay Pink Funk Her. So, mga ano to lip and cheek tint. So, it's very watery. So, para siyang like really bright pink. And then, eto naman siya pag ginawa mong blush. So guys, parang hindi ko to masuswatch sa lips kasi mag-iiwan to ng tint. So again, this is Pink Funk Her. Next shade is Cherry Bomb. So this is Cherry Bomb. Ito ba pink? Ito like it's red. Siya kapag ginawa mong blush. So, diba, kita yung difference. This is pink. This is more on the red side. Red-orange side. Next shade is called Scarlet Kiss. Ano pinagkaiba niya kay Cherry Bomb? I think Cherry Bomb is more on the red side. Ito, more on the orangey side. Sabi ni, diba? Pink, red, orange. So again, this is Scarlet Kiss. And the next shade is, oh my god, this is the darkest. And it's called Decayed Roses. Na-decay na roses. Girl. Ay, ang ganda. Actually, ngayon ko lang siya nakita as a blush. Pero to be completely honest guys, nagamit ko na this one on my lips, pero hindi ko naman siya like masyadong binantayan and everything. And then, I forget kung alin dito sa dalawang ginamit ko on my cheeks. Pero, I have very, very quick thoughts about these lip tints. So, bago ko sabihin yung final thoughts ko about these lip and cheek tints, pipili mo na kung ano yung susot ko today. And napupusuan ko to as my blush. Itong si Pink Funk Her. And then I'm going to use Decayed Roses on my lips because I really love deep shades. Alright guys, so here is the finished look of our Get Ready With Me for today. Pero bago yan, mag-hi muna kayo. Hi, Missy! So sabi ko naman sa inyo kanina, di ba? Nag-e-empake na ang mga tao. And, so, andito si Miss Ye to empake her last few things. And actually, marami pang darating dito mamaya na mga staff ng MOR, especially the digital team, para mag-empake and everything. But anyway, so, what can I say about these lip and cheek tint? Formula-wise, somehow, medyo similar siya sa other lip and cheek tint na na-try ko na before. Pero ang pinaka-gusto ko dito is yung pagiging ano niya, super blendable niya at hindi siya ganun kabilis mag-set, you guys. May time ka para, alam mo yun, i-blend siya sa cheeks mo. Kasi diba may mga ganong tint na paglagay mo, tapos pag-blend mo ng ganun, alam mo yun, nag-set na agad. So, para ka may linyang, ganun. Pero, hindi ganun yung mga lip and cheek tint na Itechiwa. It's very blendable, hindi madali mag-set, so may time ka to blend it on your cheeks or to blend it on your lips. And hindi pa siya tuyo, hindi pa ganun ka-set yung mga makakapal na layers. Pero yung cheeks, you guys, it's very long-lasting. Very, very maaasahan to sa cheeks. Very, very long-lasting. Pagdating naman sa lips, long-lasting din naman yung tint niya, yung color niya. Pero, eventually, pag kumain ka, mababawasan at mababawasan siya. Kaya, favorite ko tong si Decayed Roses kasi this is the darkest, or this is the deepest. Tapos, so pag kumain ka, mababawasan siya. Pero, alam mo yun, andun pa rin yung tint niya. Compared to the lightest shade na si Pink Funk Her. Ayan. This one. So this is the deepest shade. And I also love the packaging, you guys. Like, the packaging. I mean, kung alam mo yun, this is very different from yung typical roller tint. And I love it kasi may doe foot applicator. So, kung ang dali niyang i-apply dun sa edges ng lips mo. Pag roller kasi parang ang hirap i-control. Eh, ito, may doe foot applicator. So, it's easy to control dun sa outer line ng lips mo. And, hindi ka mahihiyang ilabas ito if you're like with your friends or with your family na hindi siya mukhang pambata, mukha siya pang dalaga, mukha siya pang professional. Pero ang catch, guys, it's also a bit more pricey than the typical lip and cheek tint. Parang normal price yata dito is nasa $3.49. You're not only paying for the quality or the performance, but you're paying for the packaging. So, this is $3.49. Pero ngayon na. I'm filming this on August 28. Yes. But I'll be able to upload this on August 31. Ngayon kasi naka-sale siya for $290. Hindi ko lang alam kung maabutan nyo. Oh my God, sino yan? Hindi ko alam kung maabutan nyo yung sale on August 31. Nikki, ikaw ba yan? Yeah. Come here, you say hi to my vlog. Oh. DJ Nikki Moreno, you guys.
Oh, hey, you guys. What's up, guys?
Just kapat agad.
It's a wrap. Uso yun ngayon.
Akala ko ba naging Minaj ka? Bakit ka naging ano na?
Hey, guys.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry.
Nakakaloka! Stop!
Missing.
Anyway, so those are my final thoughts, you guys. I do recommend them kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga yung packaging niya. And gustong-gusto ko talaga na hindi siya mabilis mag-set. And I love the shade Decayed Roses. Yun yung mga key points ko in recommending these to you guys. But I know it's a bit pricey, so bahala ka na. Your choice, your money, push. So, I'm gonna link down below kung saan nyo mabibili to, the Instagram and the website. And of course, I would like to say thank you, guys, Sir Paul Maynard, for sending me these shades, these lippies, and congratulations for having your own makeup line. I do believe this is just the start. I believe na magkakaroon ka pa ng maraming products. So, thank you, Sir Paul Maynard. And thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for watching my video kahit office yung background ko for the last couple of weeks. And yeah, this is the last time that I'll be filming and getting ready na ganito ang background. Next videos na makikita nyo sa bahay na ako. So yeah. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!